to the first video part of a series of different redstone tutorials for Minecraft, produced by Reveal Productions. Today we're going to start with the water gate, the XAND gate, and the rapid pulsar. We're going to begin by showing you the water gate in that successful order. Here's the water gate. When inverted down here, there are torches under it that power these. And when these aren't powering any, these are inverting these torches here, as you see, which eventually in turn power the pistons to push outwards. When these are broken, in theory the water breaks it so that these pistons push. The water's going to come this way, try and go through here, but since the pistons push it, our crops are safe. And I just kicked stone out of my inventory. Don't worry, we're not perfect. So, I'll show you how to make this. Right over here. Oh no. We don't want the sun. No one wants the sun. Unless you're a vampire, of course. Then you definitely don't want the sun, So, 2 pistons, like this. Leave 4 spaces, go over 4 spaces, and place another 2 pistons. These are the pistons that are pushing outwards, that block the source. I choose cobble because I want to know where the pistons are, just for showing this in this video. So, the cobble. One thing of wall here, whatever material you want, and 2 on this side. This side is where the redstone's going to happen. This side is not where the redstone's going to happen. Now on this side you want to put 2, and then 1 of the material, redstone, wrap it around, and put it in here. And put a torch. And do the same for this side. Whoop. Our pistons are contracted. Now put 2 pieces of redstone here. Dig down in front of your contraption. Dig 2 down, and then down 2 in front of the bottom 2, like that. Torches. Opens up. Now cover it up, just for neatness. Put a roof on top because this is probably something that is around water in a mine or in an underwater base or something in that means, or you just want to, or you're just overcautious of your farm. And break it, or when the water breaks it, closes it off. What you do is replace the redstone. Now, when in theory, when the water's already in here, you're gonna hopefully have some other way of getting to the leak and plugging it. Then replace your redstone, and you're all clean, and your crops are protected. So now we're going to jump over a little farther to the XAND gate. The XAND gate is a logic gate which allows you to use 2 levers that work like a button. No, that's a different circuit. My bad. These are 2 levers that can both work simultaneously to control the same device, like so. If you're inside of a house and you press this lever, and let's say it opens a door. That's not a door, but I'm just saying. And then you're outside, and you click this lever, and you close it. You come back, or someone else is inside, they want to open the door or close it or whatever, and go back and forth. They basically both work the same device, both at the same time, and can both toggle. It's a very neat concept, and this is just a shortened version. It's 2 blocks shorter, and this is the version I'll be showing how to make right now. So you're going to want to put 1 block, a torch right here, and a piece of redstone coming out. And you want a piece of redstone coming out of each side of this block. And for the tutorial's purposes, I'm going to be putting these levers here. These are basically your outputs. Wait, no, these are your inputs. These are your inputs that are going into the circuit. So if this wasn't here, like this is some other thing, this is what's working. That's your input into this whole device. You're going to want to put 2 more blocks here, torch on each of them, and connect them with these. Now then connect these torches together like that, and then come out, and there's your thing. Now this whole segment of redstone, it does not matter what you have coming out of it. they will all function the same way. It doesn't have to be directly in the middle. They will all as so. Now, to begin the last part of this video, the rapid pulsar. Very nice little system and circuit here. It is a arrow shooting device which uses the pulsars method, so when you toggle it, rapidly fires the pulsar. Very useful. I use it every time. I'm not a huge fan of it's wasteful sometimes if you're playing a true survival server or something online. But if you really do have those extra resources and you just want to trick some people on your server, you hide this somewhere, and when they activate it, you'll get shot at by a rapid stream of arrows, and it's pretty lethal. So we're going to show you how to make that, alright? So you're going to want to put 2 pieces of stone, torch, followed on the same side, connect it all with redstone like this, and then put 2 on top. You're done. Very simple like that. Just something that demonstrates redstone power. And this can be toggled on either side, doesn't matter which. You need to have it a full 2 redstone blocks, 2 full blocks outside of this area in order for it to go sideways if you wanted to carry the signal sideways for some reason. Right, because you need to have it directly attached to a signal. Like that. That will. Just need to make sure there's a block in front of this torch, otherwise it will conflict and it just won't work right. I would try it. Now, that concludes it for this first part. There will be more to come and different things following. Also, a note I want to add about this water gate. I haven't seen it on YouTube anywhere. I've seen water gates before, but I haven't seen this design before. I've seen one like a long time ago and involved torches and sand. I may make a video later of one similar to that. All it does is it discludes this 2x2 wall area, and it basically, when it uses this and this gets flushed out, pistons contract on the ceiling and drops a load of sand. Now that I will make a video for eventually. That would be my more conventional version of this. It's basically for larger corridors, larger tunnels, and not with torches, not with regular torches. This one, torches held up sand, and when the water broke the torches, the sand fell. I never really understood it, so I just came up with this out of the blue. I just thought of it, tried it, and it worked. Don't be afraid to try out things. If you have an idea or an epiphany moment or something, just throw it in Minecraft, and if it works, you're a genius. So, like I said, concludes. Next part, I'm not sure what I'm making. It depends on whatever I feel like showing off. And I will see you guys next time.